Our lighting's pretty good. What's going on, guys? Sean here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing, maybe if I... Oh, that's a way more better lighting. It's a way more better lighting. So what's going on, guys? My hair is just a mess, and there's paint on me. What's going on, guys? Sean here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be going on a rant today. And guys, I know this is a bit weird, but it's kind of a far rant, but I want to talk about something. I am going to talk about, you ready? This is what I'm going to talk about. The oh so delicious, plenty bit nutritious kernel corn. I'm just kidding, guys. Of course I'm not going to be doing a rant on, you know, what if I call it? Like, I know this is pretty of course I'm not going to be talking about kernel corn, whole kernel, golden sweet corn, with this just another At Signature Kitchens, we passionate about quality ingredients like our corn. We source freshly picked fruits and vegetables at the peak of our each season. Cornbread casserole, 2 eggs, 2 75-ounce cans of corn, cream style, 1 15.25-ounce can Signature Kitchens corn, whole kernel drain, and 2 8.5 OZ preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk eggs, stir in creamed corn, stir in whole cream kernel corn, and a muffin. Mix into well blended into greased 9 times 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with cheese, bake for 35 minutes until puffed and golden. Cut into squares and make 12 servings. I'm just kidding, guys. I ain't gonna go on a rant about that. I just found that corn in my kitchen. Today's rant. Doggy, can you please not lick my... Yes, puppy is here. I don't want to move the camera because I feel like we're going to mess up the angle. But she's underneath it right now. She's in there. But today's rant is going to be, well, oh, you saw the color. Fidget spinners. Fidget spinner. Puppy. Puppy. Yeah, at least play with one of the sides, not the back. No, I don't like the fidget. Oh. Oh my gosh, puppy. I just lost my angle. Ah, puppy. It's a horrible angle. Puppy, please move. Thank you. Dang it. It was more off to this side. Nope. I gotta move it back a little bit further. There you go. Where's the other fidget spinner? Found it. Alright. I hope I got my angle. Puppy! I'm trying to record a video. I've already recorded 2 videos with her, but here's another video of her. She's just biting my shirt. Well, I guess I'll just let her bite my shirt until I'm done with my recording, then I'll play with her. Too high. Yeah. Alright. Today's rant, fidget spinner. I know they're blowing up all over the world and they're pretty cool and all, you know. Like, what do you do with them? Like, there's nothing cool about them. I don't even know how to do the first trick. And the first trick is to balance it. Look, I'll try it. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. So easy. I could move around with it. Totally didn't drop it right there. Why am I not looking into the lens? There you go. Hope there wasn't a glare on it. Alright, today I'm going to be going on a rant of fidget spinners. They're alright, they're cool and all, but who knows the full extent of them? No one knows the full extent of them. That's why today I'm going to teach you the full extent of them. Let me rise up a bit. There we go. And today I have another fidget spinner. Not the same as this one. Puppy! Can you just back off? Thank you. Alright. And today I'm going to show you that fidget spinner. Ah! Ah, that really hurt my eye. I'm not gonna put an intro into my video today because I don't feel like it. Then I'm too lazy. So I'm not gonna edit this. I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna post it. Probably render it. Puppy, what are you doing? You're just biting in my socks. Okay. But today, fidget spinners. They're cool and all, you know. Well, I'll try to do one trick. How's this gonna work with my crappy? Wonder if I just. Oh my gosh. Let's try the first trick. Balance it with one finger. Alright, that's all right. We've already done that, you know what I'm saying? Now, let's try the second trick. Okay. Crap. Oh, I had it there! I had it! Do you want to explain yourself, why you're here? There she is. I call her Puppy because she's still a puppy. Alright, let's try that again. I think I need my... Okay, balance it. Steady. You know what? Screw this! Sorry if the camera is kind of out of tilt. My freaking tripod won't on. Puppy? Please back off of my shirt. Don't bite my finger. You freaking bit my finger. Alright. Next. I don't like this fidget spinner. You know what? Oops. I don't even care about my hair anymore. I'm gonna keep it the way I like it. You know what? Screw it. I like my hair better this way. It looks better. Alright. Let's try the next one. Ooh. New fidget spinner, huh? You might be saying, why pink, you little pervert, you piece of crap? Tell them, puppy. Tell them. Nah. Look, the fidget spinners are color for color. Okay, fine then. You want to be put down? You little selfish piece of crap. I'm just kidding, guys. I wouldn't call her that ever. I'm just joking around, but this is a fidget spinner. You might be saying, why pink? Well, it matched the color of this little, as you can see, it's metallic. And listen to this. What the frick is wrong with it? Okay. What's that noise? You hear that noise? That's the sound of this fidget spinner. Alright, I'm gonna barely tap it. Oh, it's spinning so fast.
Are you serious?
Now let me give it a little spin. Look how it's shaking. Yeah, and it doesn't have it's not like this one. It actually has a ball bearing in there. I don't want to go get it. Come here, puppy. You gonna give me the silent treatment? Alright, I got it. These are the two. They're pretty much the same. Except it has these little like metallic things on there. And this one actually has ball bearings at the end, so you can like go like that. But with this one you have to go. They're really grippy. Alright, let's pop off the caps. Let me show you guys this. I forgot I was still recording. Look at this one. Let me zoom in a bit. See it? It has this. Holy crap, the camera is at a really bad tilt. If it's doing that, can I like go like... What the fuck is with my tripod? Oh! Yes! I popped it back in place! Alright, this is the cap. Now this is the ball bearing. That's what it looks like. So you can still spin it, but it's not going to be as good. And you can see that it actually turns. I wish I could focus. And then let's try the green one. Listen to it. And let's pop off. You might already know. It's the butthole little one. It's so small. And I have to actually zoom in. It moves. You can see it there. But I can't spin it. If I try to spin it, it's not even going to spin. Like, know why they put this type of bearing on. Like, were they... saying, were they too cheap to like cut open the circle of plastic just for a new one? Like literally, what the crap? Alright, let's compare these two. Yep. Wait, and I wonder if I can put the opposite cap on the opposite side. Nope, doesn't work. Alright, this video is already too long. This one has like a curve in when it comes to that cap, but this one has like a round. I wonder if it shows. See, it has like a round, and this one is curved in. So, this video is already too long enough, so I'm just going to end it here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, do those same things. And if you want to see more videos with me and Puppy, post a comment down below, and let's try to stop this. Let's try to get this video to 7 likes. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye.